I'm Leah Mikhailik. I'm the CEO of More Than a Roof Group. Working with the Vienna House team, we set out from the very beginning to address important topics like climate change, the affordable housing crisis, social isolation. So addressing these things in the design of a building becomes paramount to the health of the community and the health of the people that are living within the building.
Hi, my name is John Wall. I'm Principal Architect at Public Architecture. So we were delighted to be part of this project because the client came to the table with a very interesting brief. They wanted the project to be passive house. They wanted the project to use mass timber construction and prefabricated construction.
My name is Heather Oland, and I am the Director of Non-Market Housing Development for the City of Vancouver. So the Vienna House project is a really wonderful example of low-carbon design that can cost-effectively, through prefabrication methods, be replicated throughout the city.
The use of wood was absolutely part of the project charter. Right from the get-go, embraced the use of wood for this project. The other aspects were to use prefabricated components, so we're looking at using CLT panels for all the floor construction and prefabricated walls for all exterior and interior wall panels. So this should do a number of things. A, it uses a low embodied carbon material like wood throughout the project for all the structure and the exterior envelope. It also helps our trades in BC increase their capacity to build more prefabricated components. Hopefully that starts to reduce the construction time for affordable housing projects and reduce cost.
Social sustainability is a critical component of any healthy community. So it's really important when we're considering building an environmentally sustainable building, we're coupling that with a built environment that provides equitable access for people to be able to participate in community and find a place of belonging, because that helps to combat isolation. So by integrating these concepts into the design phase of this building, we were super comfortable pushing for the courtyard design. And there was a study done at the beginning of this process and showed that when we were working with the courtyard design, as people were 30% more likely to engage in community. You also notice when somebody's not there, and that's the social isolation piece that we really want to address.
One of the best things you can do to create a safe environment is get to know your neighbors, because those are the people that are going to be the first responders if you're in crisis. So the O scheme was a response to that. We were able to demonstrate through some simple analysis that it was only a marginal additional cost, but it greatly improved livability of those units. Because Vienna House was designed during the heat dome, the whole team was very focused on how can we make Vienna House very livable. The main focus is around passive house construction, which helps make sure the units don't get too hot. We were also looking at active ventilation, mechanical ventilation, but we were also looking at passive ventilation, and that's where the courtyard form really shines, because you get cross ventilation through units.
The number one thing I'm looking forward to is, of course, housing people in Vancouver. And also I'm really excited about coming to the first welcoming party and really see that social interaction that is the basis of the design in action.
To see how the courtyard functions, to see how it works in terms of people meeting their neighbors, and really hear stories about our people enjoying it.
We are so excited to open doors on that very first day, to hand keys to new residents and to watch them open the door and walk into their new home. Those are the things that we look forward to. The building is going to be beautiful, but it's really the lives of the people that live in it and the rich diversity that they're going to bring. That is what we look forward to.